This is a tray of sorrel that was given to us by Michael and Therese Lewood of Snellville, Georgia. They grew this sorrel in their home garden. I will show you how to remove the sorrel itself from the seed. To do that, you need a small paring knife. Make a circle around the stem of each sorrel. Cut along the sorrel itself. Pull back, remove the sorrel, and here you have the seed. The seed will be saved to be dried, to be used to plant new sorrel seeds next year. When I'm done with cleaning all this, I'll wash them, drain them thoroughly, and freeze them until I'm ready to make my drink. You could also dry the sorrel if you prefer not to freeze it. Either way, it's okay. When I'm ready to make my drink, I will continue with this video. Thank you for watching. Rum.